The author of this video is Antonio Miranda, instructor and consultant P6. This video aims to show the methodology to elaborate CapEx in P6 with sheet unit price. CapEx is usually prepared by engineering, but our proposal is that the CapEx is prepared by planning staff and budget. This methodology was applied in a large mining project in a multinational company. We have a sheet unit price. There are columns, unit, quantity, and unit price. Note that the CapEx cost and unit price of service are empty. Your final cost will be calculated by P6. Go to P6 with the activities and structure of the sheet unit price. Variable cost. It is the cost to perform the service, which is the differential to CapEx be prepared for planning, and budget is that the price of the service is the sum of the cost of the resource allocated in the service and not by a stipulated price. Number 1. To register resource. The tab resource, it has the resource to be inserted in P6. In tab resource, we choose direction synchronize Excel P6. Click Command Run. Go to P6. Click F5 and see the resource with the ID, name, and type registered and in P6. Number 2. To register resource cost. In the resource rates, you can see the resource ID, name, and 5 prices for the resource, simulating a possible project being implemented in different regions, so with different price. In the tab Resource Rate, we choose Direction Synchronize Excel P6. Click Command Run. Go to P6, click F5 and see and check the 5 resource price. Number 3. Loading Resource Planning, LRP. We open the synchronization spreadsheet. In the tab Default CPU, we have the resources unit compositions for each service prepared by budget. In the Task tab, we have activities with the project's quantity and the ID index to identify the composition that best suits the P6 activity. In the task resource, it appears the result of calculating the composition of resource according to the level of the project. In the Synchronize tab, first click in Command Clear. In the Synchronize tab, first click in Command Clear and then the Command Run. And see the copies of the compositions below each activity and calculate the budget units. You will copy and paste the data in the spreadsheet sync. Go to P6, click F5 and see the resources loaded in activities with costs calculated. Suppose that the activity CapEx 1,300 is running in another region. Then we select rate type in the unit price that corresponds to the price of this region. And we can see that the price of the service was changed. Fixed costs. These are the costs of the project, such as engineering, purchase equipment, BDI. This cost is added to the expense directory bar. In the Activity Expense tab, insert the values in the columns unit price, quantity, and P6 will calculate total cost. We choose the direction of Synchronize Excel P6. Go to P6, F5 key to refresh the data in the window and see the Detail tab expense values entered in and the total cost calculated by P6. Reports. Directory assignment shows the distribution in time of variable costs. In the activity spreadsheet, we see total investments distributed in time. In the activity profile, we see the profile of the costs of labor, equipment, materials, variable costs, and fixed costs. Conclusion. With the developed CapEx by P6, we have all the advantages offered by P6, as distribution in time and flexibility in the preparation of CapEx. Thank you very much.